Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here to show you folks the Boston Whaler 2020 270 Dauntless. Let's start with in the back of the boat, which is powered by twin 200s, a ton of horsepower for this boat, hops right up on plane, good top end, you'll love it. And back here, if you're not fishing for the day, you got a really nice, large, comfortable seat for adults, very, very comfortable. If you are fishing, it folds down very conveniently. Beautiful swim platform with all your rod holders. Nice prep area here with a very large live well. Plenty of room for all your bait in there. You got a dedicated spot for the Yeti cooler that slides in and out of the way there. And as we move to the helm, this particular boat we did not bring in with any of the electronics. And so you can put Simrad, Garmin, anything, Raymarine, whatever you want, you can add it right in here. Digital throttle and shift, trim tabs, perfect for that. And then you get a very large head in there. So it's a pump out head, and it also has a table that you can use for up at the bow or in the back of the boat. And as we move towards the bow, really nice two-person lounger with armrests on it, very, very comfortable. And when you open it up, it's got a huge storage in there, rod holder storage for 5. Plenty of room in there. You can put tanks down there. It's the filler cushion that fills this in nicely if you want to use it as a sun pad. Also, these lift up on both sides. And you got 2 lounges, one on each side, so you can make this one big comfortable sun area up here. And then finally, up at the bow, we have a beach boarding ladder and then the anchor. The beach boarding ladder is meant for, you can drive right up onto the beach, put the ladder down, get down onto the sand, get back in from the sand without getting wet. Really nice feature on this boat. So it does, the backwater's got a low draft, and it also do the Gulf waters as well. Very, very safe. Great boat. So if you have any questions, you'd like to come see it, my name is Bob Freeman. Please give me a call at 603-213-1194.